Hi guys, welcome to Yatha YouTube channel. My name is Arjun Nanda and today we are going to be going through one project in Gurgaon where we will be giving you a detailed review about that project. The purpose of starting this channel today and uploading detailed review about one project is that when a new buyer or a customer steps out from home, he and she has a lot of questions which needs to be answered as a first time buyer, because as we all know the market status today, it's not the home which is actually selling in the market but more of a trust, and that trust comes from all the detailed information which a buyer gets from the builder end about the entire project. So firstly, I'll take a minute to introduce you myself. Our company name is Yatha, which stands for Your Home Anytime Anywhere. We are based out of MG Road, Gurgaon, as well as a RERA registered company. So for our first, we will be covering up questions: why Hero, why Dwarka Expressway, why this location, project configuration, status, why this project, project configurations, amenities, layouts, construction status, and about the finance. So our first project for today is Hero Homes. Hero Homes is located in Sector 104 Dwarka Expressway. The first question which comes to a buyer's mind is why developer as a hero? To take you on the background of the Hero, the strong lineage of Hero is a brand completely built on customer trust. It's been a decade since Hero entered into the real estate market. Their first project was launched in 2010 in Haridwar, which they started delivering in 2013 onwards. There are more than 700 families already seen staying at the project. After the success of Haridwar, two more projects were launched in the belt of Ludhiana and Mohali, which are also under construction. And the fourth project, which is being launched by Hero, is Hero Homes Dwarka Expressway in Sector 104. This picture will give you an idea of the glimpse of how the elevation and the township is going to look from the bird's eye view. To take it further, first we will talk about the RERA registration of the project. Yes, the project is RERA registered. You can see the RERA number on the screen. The why it is very mandatory and important to check the RERA number of a project, because it 100% ensures that the project is legally compiled and approved from all the government bodies. It is mandatory for any builder who is selling a group housing in Gurgaon or in India to have a RERA registration number in their hand before they promote or sell any property. The possession for this project is proposed. The project was launched in two phases. Phase 1, which you can see on the left, is for 4 towers, tower 1, 2, 3, 4, which were launched in 2018 December, has a possession in December 23. 2020 early phase 2 was launched for 3 towers, 5, 6, 7, which has a possession in 2024. Again guys, these are the dates which are set by RERA. As per developer, they will be 100% delivering before RERA deadlines. The next point which comes into the mind for a buyer is why they should choose Dwarka Expressway as a location to buy a property when they're looking to buy. To give you a little background about Dwarka Expressway, Dwarka Expressway is a 27.8 kilometers long under construction 8-lane control accessed highway which is connecting Dwarka in Delhi to Gurugram in Haryana. The 29-kilometer expressway will actually originate at Shiv Murti. If you can see, I've marked the Shiv Murti. जब आप दिल्ली की साइड से आते हैं, when you're coming from Delhi side, crossing airport and NH8 heading towards Gurgaon, on the left side you will see a Shiv Murti as soon as you cross your Radisson Hotel. That is where exactly the Clover Loaf flyover construction is going on right now, and which is going to take you straight. So this entire black patches is a completely 29 kilometers elevated highway. So it will take you from here to the expressway and it will join back in NH8 before Manesar. So this is a very prominent location in terms of this is going to be India's first 8-lane controlled access highway, which is going to be completely elevated, connecting Delhi's parts from of Najafgarh, West Delhi, Dwarka side to the Gurgaon side of the area. To go further, the location advantages of Hero Homes, why this is a perfect location, because from Hero Homes, if you will see, Dwarka is exactly 10 minutes, Indira Gandhi International Airport will be 20 minutes, Udyog Vihar will be 20 minutes, and Cyber Hub will be 25 minutes. Also, to give you an idea, because it is a great location being close proximity to the airport and Gurgaon. Even Gurgaon railway station is very closely connected from the internal roads behind the Hero Homes project. It is going to be exactly 12 minutes from Dwarka Sector 21 metro station, which is already operational and connecting your uh, metro to central Delhi. There is also a AIIMS Jhajjar which is under construction, will be hardly 20 minutes from this Dwarka Expressway location, which makes it a perfect location in close proximity to all the major places in and around the city. Another great advantage of Hero Homes location is that there's a metro proposed right bang opposite the project, which is on Dwarka Expressway. If you can see this map, Sector 104 has a proposed corridor which is linking Gurgaon and Dwarka from the Dwarka Expressway. Another great benefit of this project is there are no revenue roads going from in between the sector from the project. So the entire land parcel is a single land parcel of the project. Another important point of this location, Sector 104 for Dwarka Expressway, is if you can see, I've made a black frame which you can see in front of you. And you can see Sector 104. So if you see just right opposite, there's a pink belt and a blue belt. Bang opposite is an institutional belt which has been allotted in Master Plan 2025 by government. DPS High School is already under construction. Also on the right side is a complete commercial belt where all the malls, retail and office spaces will be coming up. So if we see location in terms of school, institutes, colleges, office spaces, retail, everything will be in close proximity of 2 to 3 minutes from Hero Home Sector 104. The project is offering two configurations of apartments, a 2 BHK and a 3 BHK. 2 BHK starting at 86 lakhs all inclusive and a 3 BHK starting at 1 crore 5 lakhs all inclusive. Now let's get into the details of the project. The project is in total 9 acres. There are 7 towers and 650 apartments in the entire 9 acre. Another great part is there is zero vehicular movement in the project, which means as soon as you enter the project, your car will straight away get into the tunnel and you will have an access to all your towers from your basement lobbies, which means there are no vehicular movement on the entire 9 acres of the patch apart from the entry and exit. Another great advantage which it gives is that now because there is no space which needs to be kept for visitors parking on the ground floor, so the entire there is 85.5% of area which is completely green, which means only 15% of the area is covered in the entire project. Now these homes are called smart homes by Hero Homes. So why is it called smart? Because there are a few features which a builder is offering. So there's going to be a digital main door lock in your apartment, a video door phone, a security system installed, a gas leak detector installed, as well as an occupancy light sensor installed. All these things are being installed by the developer and given to every apartment so that they are called as smart apartments. Now I will be explaining you a little bit about the project layout. So if you can see, this is the phase 1 which was launched, which was exactly very close to Dwarka Expressway, which was tower 1, 2, 3, 4, which stands completely sold out. And in phase 2, which again has a possession 2024 December as per RERA, is tower 5, 6, 7 is where we have the inventory available, which we will be looking to see. Now, to give you further more detail, I will be going through on a few project amenities. So there is a 25,000 square feet club which is being built in the project itself. Apart from club, there are in total 104 amenities which builder is building across the club and the open area in the project. There will be few of them which I will be naming now because we can't go through all 104. For example, they have conceptualized the entire open garden areas into healing gardens, herbal garden, aroma garden, reflexology garden, chess garden. So this is how each and every small part of the open area spaces will be designed into different gardens. Apart from that, there's going to be a squash court, tennis court, an indoor badminton court, cricket pitch, putting green, cycling and jogging track allocated area. Apart from this, there's going to be an amphitheater, party lawn, yoga area, open gym, which is going to be built within the project by the developer. To take further, I will be now talking about the layouts which are available in the project. There are 4 different apartment sizes which builder is offering. Number one is 2 BHK of 1099 square feet, and there are 3 options available in 3 BHK. So if we see this is the layout of a tower 5, 6, 7. Tower 5 has 4 apartments to a floor with 2 passenger lifts and a 1 service lift. Tower 6 has 6 apartments to a floor with again 2 passenger lifts and a 1 service lift. And Tower 7 has 4 apartments to a floor, same as Tower 5 with 2 passenger lifts and 1 service lift. Now if we go with our first layout of 1099 square feet of 2 BHK, options in Tower 6 is available, which are here number 1 and 2, 4 and 5. You have 2 options facing the club and 2 options facing the Dwarka Expressway. A little layout idea which I will give you is as there are 2 bedrooms, 2 washrooms. Bedrooms are of quite decent size with an 11 by 12 and a 12 by 12 size. Now if we come to the second layout of 1359 square feet, there are 4 options available. All of them are Dwarka Expressway facing, which is unit number 3 and 4. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-toilet layout. 2 washrooms are attached. One is with the master bedroom and one is with the another room, and then third room do not have a attached washroom. A third layout is of 1389 square feet. 1388. There's not a lot of difference between 135 and 1388. It's just a little extra area in a drying dining. Again, this is the same 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout. The most popular layout in the project is a 1689 square feet, which is a 3-bedroom, 3-toilet layout with a drying dining area. So the great options is available is in Tower 5 and 7, and all the options are club facing. So because these are premium units, it's a 3-bedroom. If you see 3 bathroom with 1, 2, 3, 4 balconies altogether. And a small puja area which can be converted into a study or however you want to use it. So I will give you a little glimpse about the sample apartment. Also, if the actual sample of a 1689 is ready at the site, same can be visited. Also, I am attaching a link below where we have shooted the actual sample apartment. This is how a drying dining looks of an L shape of a 1689 square feet. This is bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2, which is, and this is bedroom 3, which is the master bedroom. A washroom company is giving us with the sanitary fittings. The lower cabinet is not part of the package. And this is how the modular kitchen is being provided by the builder. So in this, it is a modular kitchen where all the lower cabinets are part of your package along with hob and chimney. The upper cabinets जो आप ऊपर बाइक वाले देख रहे हैं वो बिल्डर नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. नीचे वाले जितने भी आप देख रहे हैं वो प्रोवाइड कर रहा है बिल्डर. Now the most important point for any buyer is what is the construction status, how is the speed going, does it actually look builder will deliver it on time or before time. To give you a glimpse that construction is going in full swing of phase 1, tower 1 19th floor is completed, tower 2 14th floor is completed as on April end. This is the update from April end 2021. Tower 1, phase 1, tower 3 and 4, 9th and 11th floor is completed. Phase 2, which was launched in in early 2020, though there was lockdown for quite a long time, but still construction's been going on full speed. Tower 5, ground floor slab has been completed. Tower 6, lower basement slab shuttering is in progress. And Tower 7, upper basement work is in progress. Lastly, there are a lot of banks. The project is approved by majority of banks, which are ICICI, HDFC, India Bulls, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank. So funding is not an issue with Hero Homes project. I hope, guys, all the information which we provided were of useful. Anything else you would like to know about the project, I would request you to please log into our website www.yathar.com. You can get information of all the projects in Gurgaon and we will be happy to assist you. I hope this video was useful to you with all the detailed information. If you like the video, I would request you to please like our video and subscribe to our channel for seeing a detailed review of more projects which will be uploading on the same. Thank you, guys. Keep safe.